Hello YouTube, Impractical Inventor here today, and I wanted to tell you guys what I've been working on over the past few months or so. So, over that period of time, I've been working on building a remote control plane that's not based off of any pre-built flight controllers or anything like that. What I've been using instead is an Arduino. The nice thing about me using this is that it's going to allow me to actually create my own remote and have everything more personalized to my liking, because I'll be doing all the coding, I'll be doing all the programming, everything like that. I have seen there are programs that can do it for you, which are already pre-built for Arduino, such as Arduino Fly and things like that, which are pretty much just pre-programmed flight controllers. But rather than doing that, I'm actually programming it all myself. So, right as of now, I'm basing it off of the HTC-12 circuit, which is this circuit, which is plugged into something real quick, which is this circuit right here. Now, as you can see, it's pretty small, based off of my hand. Well, based off my watch, something like that. That's something more relative that you can guess with. So, with this circuit, it sends serial data over pretty much this COM ports, and you're able to then send it between Arduinos by using the different connections on it. So, what I've been working on is creating an encryption system that can encrypt multiple different numbers and letters, so that you can get the effect of having multiple analog channels, while also still using the exact same single channel on an Arduino. So, because it's only one channel, of course, that could possibly end up with some lag problems in the future. However, I have not yet run into that problem. So, what I have done here is I have about 3 or so batteries. Each of these batteries, well, 2 of these batteries, has an additional larger battery strapped to it, so that way you can have an extra amperage to it. While this one, that one's up to 30C, so it's perfectly fine by itself. All of those batteries are 3.7 volt. Altogether, it's about 11.1 volts, I think it was. And that's all then powering this, which is able to go up to a maximum of 3 cells, which is exactly what I'm running it at. Because why not run it at the maximum? So, right as of now, what I'll have to do is I will simply unplug it and plug it back in to show you guys the boot noise. Yep, as you can hear there. The ESC on here, which is this right here, which was the cheapest one that I could find on eBay from China, and that makes that noise every time it boots up. Now, the nice thing is, once I boot this up, which the way I have this programmed is that I'll press and hold this button and turn it on to keep it in plane mode. So, as you can see on here, I have this thing right here that says pitch. You can hardly see it, but there's a number, it goes up and it goes down to negative, and basically it's universal, so that way I can use it with servos and everything. However, electronic speed controllers are controlled the exact same way as servos, so I can just use this. So, in order to actually drive this, what I'll have to do is I have to punch my throttle all the way down, and as you heard that beep, that's letting me know that the ESC is primed and ready to go. So, I can slowly increase my throttle, and you can see that that is mid-throttle. I have it to where it'll actually stick at mid-throttle. So if I'm mid-flight, I can just let that go, and then it'll continue flying, or somewhat coasting, without a bit of a drop to it. So, past that, it can go a bit higher. So, as you just saw, that was the maximum thrust it can actually output. Here, I'll actually show you. Now, the nice thing about building my own remote is that I don't have to pay upwards of $50 on eBay to actually get one with a receiver. So, well, of course, that's with the cheapest possible remote that I can get. And with this, I also get to customize my own. This one cost me about $20 so far to build, and I got an OLED screen on it, which I'll have some sort of like throttle
gauge on it, which will be pretty cool.
I'll be using these little
So,
Pro
then also with this is, even though I don't have it wired up yet, I have left and right, so I'll be programming that to control
waiting on my
servos
second one,
so I can
should
get my
arrive
roll.
by
And then I'm thinking about getting a knob, and instead of using this
If not,
throttle,
maybe a bit
I'll
further
use
down the
knob
line.
throttle.
Either way,
So,
I'll be making a video
I'll have this
about the actual
changing the
plane, so
throttle,
once those come
this
in.
being pitch up, some pitch down.
Right now I have one
roll
of them.
left,
I have another
and
one, but it's slightly broken. The
Actually,
gearing
that
on
would
the
be pitch
inside
down, that would be pitch up.
is a bit
But
skippy,
okay.
and it likes to jitter a lot, which
so then,
I'm not
for
sure
right
how
now,
that would
I just have
plane.
this.
I'd imagine it would cause some turbulence, I guess you could refer to it as. Everyone likes to use that word for just no apparent reason sometimes. I guess I'll use it too. So, if you like this video, please like it. If you want to actually help support this channel, then please donate to the PayPal that I have linked below. Electronics are so cheap that it's really easy to actually just get $1 and help build a project. Because even things like these Arduinos, they only cost like $2. You know, 2 people donate $1. Hey, that's another Arduino that I get. You know, I've got plenty of them all over the room. But maybe I can make more projects with them, do some tutorials. I've never really done tutorial format. If you have any ideas for what I should actually do with my videos and my channel, do, you know, like a comment, put a comment. Tell me what you think would be a good idea. Any ideas for the plane? Help with that as well. Well, that was this project. Thanks for watching.